Hello, this is Sonia from Happy Space, just here to help you set up for this week's memory verse. This week we are doing week 3 of the Beatitudes, and it is Matthew 5, verse 7 to 8. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall receive mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Yeah, I really enjoy working through that, meditating on these verses we've done. And just taking these truths as face value and just trusting God that if He says these things, that it is to be. So yeah, this is the verse we're going to look working through for the rest of the week. You're going to practice that for the next 7 days. So you can put that behind daily. Your old daily verse, which was last week's verse, you're going to put behind even. So you're going to practice that on the even days of the week, like the 2nd, 4th. And your old even verse you can put behind odd. So you're going to practice that on the odd days, like the 3rd, 5th, and so forth. Your old odd verse you're going to move into the weekly section. I think we've done Saturday last time. Let me just see. Our odd verse behind Sunday. And our Sunday verse, as I always say, you can choose whatever you want. You don't have to do Sunday. You can choose another day. So that we're going to do is move into our monthly section. And yet again, I just choose any place because it doesn't really matter. I've got so many verses behind each one. So I'm just going to put it behind the 4th. So yeah, I'm going to revise that on the 4th with all the other verses. And then tomorrow, I'll get my practice book. And I will write the address there and start practicing as I done last week. So yeah, I hope it's a blessing to you and have a great week. God bless.